Ever wondered what's really happening inside that buzzing beehive? It's not just chaos. It's one of the most organized and fascinating societies in the entire natural world. Today, we're going deep inside to uncover the secrets of this miniature civilization, where every single bee has a specific job from the moment it's born. Let's start at the front door. At the hive entrance, you'll find the bouncers of the bee world, the guard bees. Their job is way more sophisticated than just looking tough. They are expert security agents conducting a precise scent inspection on every bee that tries to enter. You see, each colony has its own unique chemical signature, like a secret password. If a returning bee doesn't smell exactly right, it's denied entry on the spot. No exceptions. This strict security is vital to protect the hive from robbers, predators, and diseases. It's the first line of defense in a world full of threats. Now, let's venture deeper inside the hive. This is the domain of the worker bees, the tireless engine that powers the entire colony. These bees are all females, and their life is a masterclass in career progression. When they're young, they start with indoor duties. Their first job is often as cleaners, meticulously polishing each hexagonal cell of the honeycomb. This isn't just about tidiness. These cells need to be perfectly clean and sterile to be used for raising new baby bees or storing precious honey and pollen. As they get a bit older, their roles evolve. They might become nurse bees, feeding and caring for the developing larvae. They also take on the task of undertakers, removing any dead bees from the hive to maintain hygiene. Others become construction workers, producing wax from glands on their abdomens and building the intricate honeycomb structure with incredible geometric precision. They also act as personal attendants to the queen, feeding her, grooming her, and carrying away her waste. Every job is crucial, and every worker bee performs it with unwavering dedication. Once they reach a certain age, usually around 2 to 3 weeks old, the worker bees graduate to the most dangerous and vital job of all, foraging. They leave the safety of the hive and fly out into the world, sometimes traveling for miles every single day. Their mission? To find and collect nectar and pollen. Nectar provides the carbohydrates for energy, which they turn into honey. Pollen delivers the essential proteins, fats, and vitamins needed to feed the young. These resources are the lifeblood of the colony, and without the constant efforts of the foragers, the hive would quickly starve. But this brings up a fascinating question. When a forager finds an amazing patch of flowers bursting with nectar, how does she tell her sisters where to find it? She can't just draw a map. Instead, she performs one of the most remarkable behaviors in the entire animal kingdom, the waggle dance. Imagine a bee returning to the dark, crowded hive. She finds a spot on the honeycomb and begins to perform a very specific, intricate dance. This isn't just random movement. It's a highly sophisticated form of symbolic communication. The dance consists of a figure-8 pattern. In the straight-run portion of the dance, the bee waggles her body back and forth. The angle of this waggle relative to the vertical line of the honeycomb tells the other bees the direction of the food source in relation to the sun's position in the sky. It's like a living compass, but what about distance? The bee communicates that too. The duration of the waggle run corresponds directly to how far away the food is. For example, a very short waggle means the flowers are close by. A longer, more sustained waggle signals a food source that's much farther away. It's incredibly precise. Researchers have found that roughly every 75 milliseconds of waggle time translates to about 100 meters in distance. The other bees gather around, feeling her vibrations and interpreting this complex message. In a matter of minutes, a whole team of foragers can be mobilized to the exact location of the jackpot. This isn't just instinct. It's a form of abstract, geometric language that allows the colony to efficiently exploit the best resources in their environment. Now, at the absolute heart of this entire system, surrounded by her loyal attendants, is the single most important individual in the colony, the queen. She's the mother of nearly every bee in the hive and its one and only reproductive powerhouse. Her entire life is dedicated to a single critical task, laying eggs, and she's astonishingly good at it. A healthy queen can lay up to 2,000 eggs in a single day. That's about 1 egg every 20 seconds around the clock. This incredible rate of reproduction is absolutely essential for the survival of the colony. Worker bees have a very short lifespan, especially during the busy summer months. From the day an egg is laid, it takes only about 21 days for a new worker bee to emerge as an adult. With thousands of bees dying every day from old age or the dangers of foraging, The queen's constant egg laying ensures a steady stream of new workers to replace them, filling all the roles needed to keep the hive functioning like a well-oiled machine. She's not a ruler in the human sense. She doesn't give orders. Instead, her presence and the pheromones she releases are what hold the entire colony together, creating a sense of unity and purpose. So when you see a honeybee, remember that you're looking at just one part of a much larger, incredible story. From the vigilant guards at the entrance to the diligent cleaners inside, from the brave foragers performing their waggle dance to the prolific queen at the center of it all, the honeybee hive is a testament to the power of cooperation. It's a perfect example of division of labor, extraordinary communication, and a stunning life cycle. It's not just a hive. It's a superorganism, a biological masterpiece, and truly one of nature's most impressive living machines. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the secret world of bees. If you found this as fascinating as we do, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the natural world. See you next time!